Creating a professional AI news anchor video can be challenging. You need a realistic anchor, a professional news studio, lower third graphics, financial visuals, and smooth broadcast style transitions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Fotor Video Agent to create a complete AI news video with a professional financial news style, a single prompt.
First, upload the portrait you want to use for the AI news anchor. This image will be used to create the presenter and keep the same appearance throughout the video. Next, add the reference video URL and enter your prompt. The prompt is structured into 3 sections: an AI news anchor opening, financial animations and data visualizations in the middle, and the same AI anchor returning for the ending. This gives Video Agent a clear structure for the entire AI news video. Video Agent will generate the opening, middle, and ending sections of the video script. Review the structure, and if everything looks right, click Confirm and proceed. Next, Video Agent generates the presenter's voice. You can choose the voice that best matches your AI news anchor, such as a professional female news voice. Once you've selected the voice, generate the presenter narration. If there are no issues with the narration, click Sounds Good. Continue. To move on the audio and visual synchronization, based on your portrait and project settings, choose the presenter video ratio. Video Agent will then generate the complete video script and visual storyboard and automatically edit the scenes and arrange them on the timeline. If everything looks good, click Confirm the visual storyboard, then Confirm and proceed. Now building the broadcast graphics. Fotor Video Agent will automatically edit MG animations on the timeline. Preview the entire video to make sure the AI anchor, financial animations, transitions, and overall pacing work together naturally. MG animations can be dragged, edited, and placed in the appropriate position as desired. Input prompt: ensure the subtitles are synchronized with the voiceover and incorporate gentle background music suitable for financial news. Once generated, the subtitles and music are automatically added to the timeline. Select all the subtitles and adjust their positions. Click on Parameter to find the font size and edit it to make it larger. Preview subtitles and correct unsynchronized segments. Next, you can adjust the fade-in and fade-out effects of the background music. Click Download to export your finished AI news video.
Bank of America is committing $250 billion to finance America's infrastructure, a historic investment in the nation's future. The funds will power data centers, strengthen energy infrastructure, modernize transportation, and build next-generation AI infrastructure. It is one of the largest private infrastructure commitments in U.S. history. This is what rebuilding America looks like.
With Fotor Video Agent, you can create a polished AI news anchor video without building every element manually. From the presenter and voice to financial animations, subtitles, music, and broadcast graphics, Video Agent brings the entire financial news video workflow together in one place.